The Hollywood Browzer is no longer just for Hollywood celebrities and makeup artists. Everyone can achieve smooth, radiant skin and a flawless makeup application using the Hollywood Browzer skincare products like your serum, oil, or moisturizer. And you'll be amazed at how to exfoliate and remove baby-fine facial hair, also known as dermaplaning. Dermaplaning allows for deeper penetration of skincare products and provides a smooth canvas for a flawless makeup application. The Hollywood Browzer is the perfect tool for shaping your eyebrows and achieving smooth skin on the face and body in seconds, and with no pain, redness, or irritation. And no need to worry about harsh or heavy regrowth. The hair grows back exactly the same as it was before. No thicker, darker, or coarser. Once you've finished your dermaplaning treatment, apply your usual skin. Quickly they penetrate into the skin now that there is no longer a barrier of hair, dead skin cells, and built-up debris. Enjoy your new radiant glow. You will love using the Hollywood Browzer as part of your weekly beauty regimen. Guaranteed or your money back.